You're going?
I'm going in here.
Yes, KL Tower 360. Yes, this one na, guys. Punta tayo, guys, sa Atmosphere. Dito tayo, restaurant. Atmosphere 360. Revolving Restaurant, KL Tower. Okay. Wow! Hindi na tayo kakain ng buffet. Tamang-tama, gutom na si Dora. Oh my gosh. Actually guys, pangatlong beses na namin kung pumunta rito. Pinagbigyan lang namin si Bulilit. Maganda naman kasi, nasa tuktok ka, tapos makikita mo yung view sa buong KL. Tapos, mura lang siya. 80 ringgit yung entrance dito. Buffet na siya guys. 3 hours mag-stay ka pwede dyan. Anak, asan where? Halika na, kuha tayong pagkain. Actually guys, mga pagkain dyan is mga local food siya. So, marami kang pagpipilian. Marami, may mga pizza, bread, tapos desserts, and yung local food nila. Meron din parang Philippine na pansit and lumpia. pero,
I like it. This is my favorite.
that's your favorite?
In Philippines.
In Philippine, that's your favorite in Philippine.
Stop now, mommy.
Oh. Okay.
That
This one, like,
one square.
pag anaan mo, tomato.
Tomato.
So, ayan, buti na lang may taga-bit-bit ako ng pagkain. So, yan ang first batch namin ni Bulilit. Taga-bit-bit siya. First time niya dyan, kaya tuwang-tuwa siya naman. Ang aking Bulilit. Favorite daw niya, TJ pansit ka na, J lumpia. Tapos wala kan kain na kanu J Pilipin.
Like it. Siya possible na. Oh. See? But Tower is yummy. Tower, I like it. What is this balloon there?
A birthday.
Where? Where? So, what's the one there?
Sige, kain ka lang ng kain kasi kukuha pa tayo mamaya.
Yummy, 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 Give me the pizza.
Anak, dito ka lang ha. Kuha lang ako ng gusto.
Hello. Come and share. Wait, somebody. Come and share and take the bio.
Meat cup sandwich?
No, I have this. Shop. It's the one there.
Like it?
I like it. In here, I like it. Okay.
Okay, we ordered Nyonya curry, guys. First time natin kumain ng Nyonya curry. Yan, doon yung mga ingredients niya. Yan, diba? It's a local food, I think. Yes, local food. Okay, that's yours. Nyonya curry. So, this is the garnish. Nyonya curry.
Thank you for explaining everything.
I want the garlic one. I think the onion. I think this one also. Let's try. Let's try, guys. The Nyonya curry. Oh, kain na, anak. So, dito yung nasa taas tayo, guys. As you can see, kita mo lahat yung nasa baba. Yan, ito yung KL. Ito yung KLCC. Yan, dalawa na yan. Yan siya. Diba?
Let me check Murawa's house.
Ha? Where's our house? I can see our house here. I think so. Last time I saw it here.
Where? Where's the house? I can see.
Where? Oh, let's eat first, anak. Let's eat first, okay?
I want one.
Yeah. Let's go. She said she liked this one more. Okay. Oh, hawakan mo mabuti. More? Mama, you okay? So guys, ito, hindi ko alam yung dumplings nila to, pero ang sarap. Pero itong favorite ko. Ang sarap ng galito nila, parang curry sa atin. Kasi may... Yeah, this one. I take there. They have coconut inside, guys.
I got like a coconut.
See.
Coffee? Wait, drink.
I drink hot juice. I thought you would drink, but you said you don't want to drink.
Little bit? Wait, little bit.
Go and drink for yourself.
Help me.
Okay. Nila. Titikman natin lahat ng mga dessert nila, guys. Kung masarap. Ito pinaka-favorite ko. Okay. Wait. Tanggalin mo muna ito. Ito favorite ko ito. Oh. Kasi parang kasaba siya. Alam niyo, parang kasaba. Ay, ayaw mo matanggal. Ano ka ba? Ay, ayaw niya eh, ha? Parang ayaw niyang pakain. Kasi ito, kuha tayo ng isa. Ito, kuha din tayo ng isa na ito. And this, kuha din tayo ng isa na ito. And this. Okay.
Mukbang.
Sorry. Mukbang ka.
Mukbang.
Mukbang tayo, guys.
Mukbang tayo, guys.
Kita mo naman yung kinakain mo. Lumpia,
Lumpia.
yan pansit,
Katang pansit.
watermelon.
Watermelon. What's a watermelon? I can eat with ours.
Mama! Ang dami mong di naubos na ano, oh, na pagkain mo.
Hindi
Oh.
ako yan.
No, this is yours.
No, this is yours.
Oh, then, what's yours?
This is mine too.
Two. Dahil mong pagka... Today is magmumukbang tayo ng dumplings. Ang sarap niya kasi pangatlong plato ko na to. Doon! Grabe. Sausaw mo dito. Andun yung tower, anak ko. Oh. That's the second tallest building in the world.
But I wanted to go there again.
And I've never been there, anak.
Me too, I haven't been there.
This is the flag. Morocco, Egypt, Algeria, Oman, Lebanon, Somalia, Kuwait, Malaysia, United Arab, Saudi Arabia. Ito yung Christmas party ito ata. Oh, happy birthday daw. Yan, magti-cheat tayo. Para matunaw yung kinain natin. Jasmine tea. There's our house of there, here, our house, here, our house. Oh, di ba? Yes, vortex is here. Oh. Yeah, so many. All the tower, honey. Guys, tapos na tayo. Nasa baba na tayo. Parking. This one is the 2 stories. Let's go there. Ikra. Madami pa rin pumapasok. Diba? Siguro mag-dinner sila. Oh. Ito naman nasa labas. Oh. Asas. Yeah. Okay. It's too hot, anak. Salamat datang. Ayan, welcome to KL Tower. So, dyan tayo pumunta kanina sa taas.